So, I'm going to show you not how to make the card, how this to disappear, because I already know, and I don't want to spoil it for you. I'll teach you if I see you, okay? Okay, so what you want to do, well, you don't want to do that. Watch. I'm going to make this come from my ear, okay? It's going to, okay, ready? Set. Okay. Empty. It was in my ear. Levitating. And look, where's the other corn? Look, okay. I'll show you one more time. So, you know it's not in my ears. So, and then I did this. And then nope. Yep. So, at a scale of 1 to 10, how cool do you think that is? I say 10. Yeah.